Alright, Busafo. The tools have been on a canon. Hi. Eddie ain't bad. Confu wa dukuru ya pra we bi no kita ya no agwaja ba no
Debbie. Kaka.
Think it's going to probably to blend.
Patran.
Mi wa mi anu ma se mi atwu. Mi e chop money a cha na be se atwu a mi ama se mi ete.
Nana want to down here. The favorite food. They be home na me kuma na ya invited. Serious.
Favorite food.
We do come want to down.
Ah, ene ene ba na yi obejungo.
Nana. My special one I bro why?
Nana mo le be fu ene nde. Aba ba ngo no gasrim. Ene waga shi ne eden.
Eno na ye product of Nigeria. Yenye fi Nigeria milk.
Oh, okay.
Aha.
Ni amode e we bu cleaner no.
Ene se concern na o. Ene vegetable. Should I tell us? Amen.
Unipa.
Charlie.
Adriana e the rough.
The rough.
Bye bye. As we continue celebrating Ghana Month, today we decided to prepare one of Ghanaians' favorite dish, Tuwo Zafi Diehuo. So kindly stay with me and let's do this thing together. Please, if this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe. If it's TikTok and Facebook, kindly follow. Thank you very much.
Yeah, the adjustment.
Okay.
Yeah, be ho
Adameno.
Yeah, sounds of friend ayoyo.
Ayoyo. Oh, okay.
Nti no ayoyo no ye.
Ayoyo den kasa.
Ayoyo dey Hausa for the to the ayoyo.
Oh, okay.
Aha. Nti no mostly no bebre na ni say friend ayoyo.
Okay.
But you for na yeah friend ademe.
Oh, okay.
Ademe no ka say ewe language. Yeah.
Okay.
Nti no chirpon for the ni.
Misu minimum. See, mo ka chirpon latte no. Ademe no, e kan say we ka sani. Yeah.
Okay. It's in patro ye ba be wo she. Ademe ni de sija so.
Okay.
Sunu de wo chi papa.
Ama hu praye bu a praye ne ye den.
Patro. Praye no so. E no na ye de ewo ademe no ye de blend.
Ye de blend. We asa konfo praye ni
bi. Na blend ni hon. Na Patro we de nya konfo.
Da o nya konfo praye. Konfo bu wa dukuru ya praye we bi no kita ya no agwaja ba no.
Debbie. We de naturally made.
Oh, okay. Into we fire share apart from we.
Fire share. We na top prayer na. Na wa wash na we twa. Anu memre no na we no.
Okay.
Adaho ama emu na ide.
Because okonfo ya asa ni omo otwide bete.
Patro nye no.
Nye ka.
Bede okonfo asa. Ti patro ye oro ademe no.
Okay.
Na ye di asi. Eja no so.
Na de ene mani na be pai wa. We say omo apart from ademe no omo ba ko bi leaves na so kakra se flower bi was on different sense.
Yes. Okay.
As a flower bi wo ni we ni so.
Omo wo ale.
I say me gbe don ni o se me.
Okay, no de yen fan ye t-shirt.
Okay.
Ye de ye ni ye lefi alefi. Aha, no mostly no. Upon other parts na be bre wo ho.
Oh, okay.
And I think so to that no timi di a friend dey. Utimi di dry okro nkruma sam.
Oh, okay.
Nti no. Nkruma sam no.
Me kwan utimi di me kwan.
Aben kwan katen kwan ni na mpacho utimi di. Ti mpacho we dawa no. Ma oro hu.
Okay.
Ti mpacho.
Let's show dawa one bro ni kakra.
Dawa ni.
Okay.
Aya oro hu fine.
We say now say den.
Pacho ye duaba e wo north nti no na do pese ohun adi se okọ north mo de mo beba na mo asi aye ne say kama nti mpacho nti
menti ana ma ifa se kan ti ana na mese no
okay nti mpacho mo de dawa na wu nsuo ni
okay Okay, my do kun fale anu ya. Na twa na be no be ku no make tete. We ne bi akran ni. Good.
Okay.
Bro, ni kakra camera.
Pacho. Dawa ne nchine kakra.
Okay.
Na me de egum nti nsuo no so emu be ye hye. Emu ye hye ansa na.
Ya hwe adam na gum.
Yo.
Na just nkwan na ye no.
Pachai. We ye ayoyo nkwan.
Ayoyo we dey come chop to Zavi.
Adam nkwan.
Adam nkwan you. The euro nkwan.
Okay, mpacho ye say nsuo na ye hye.
Okay.
Pacho ye hye no nso no. Ye de. Ye best start stew no.
Stew.
Aye.
Adam nkwan ni stew e ka bom.
Pachai.
Hey.
Ayoyo.
Aduane we dey calculations nkwan ho.
Ayoyo ni stew no nti mpacho so na mo hwe na ya blend nyoma ne dada. Aha. Enti no. Na ne say me de bekoja no.
Sure. Okay. Nti ye nkwan nu yansa na be for ye.
Yo. We no se o ye si ho a. Ense hwe.
So aduane we the combination nkwan ho.
Yo.
Hey.
Yeah.
Eh hwamu.
Because I ndawada one. Spices.
So ndawada no so that we ni nkwan na dey na so betimi dey different food.
O ndawada one dey timi dey jollof.
Oh, okay.
Utimi dey for ye di wo fie.
Okay.
Aha bibia wo betimi aye.
Okay.
It depend so when you do nkwan dia.
Until apart from aduane we dem bi na dey aye da.
Me dey jollof and na me tie dey.
Oh, okay.
It tastes very good. Ndawada jollof. Come. Yes.
Oh, okay. Just
I don't say so much. I know that I say oh na. Be say. Pacho, ayo no sana ye be blend no.
yeah blending na.
Pacho. Pacho say ya so time na emu be break it.
Oh, okay.
Haka.
You need to probably to blend.
Pacho.
I was trying na blend that way no.
Pacho, we need to say old time.
Oh, okay.
But still before use we use to blender. Blender no so your spice I'll be use to yam na na fit.
Okay.
Blend it fast so back pa.
Okay, bem.
But you say
Yeah. So be am na bubu tikati na e be buka ka.
but you say ya na a break e mu na we na dey involve energy kakra.
Yeah. I just meet my area.
Okay. Pachai. Yana say.
See, I started stew, you know. Oh, okay. Used to one we have a about. Alright, in terms of stew na you know. Stew your friends saying. I need to be a man.
Stew na.
Oh, okay. Look, bro, I'm kakra.
Pachai we no normally ya dey ngo.
Ngo na
Ngo na.
Which makes you all you so. Ana ngo na na.
Obetime use ba ngo no se ma nanya. Nice taste. It's in Pacho. Pacho Mama nene me fish.
Oh, okay.
Dry fish.
But even the fish be another fish we can be together.
Yeah, I'm a name to sawa.
Who grab it together?
Poku ai.
Okay.
Pacho the fish be a.
Jer mo money echi mo ansa.
Pacho. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Tozavi. Yehu. Combination of apple anyway. A Brian and Yam with a friend saying.
Road Gary. I'm not going to. Again. Simpacho.
But the day begin.
Where I blend the garlic and
okay.
Ginger.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear one. You What's your name? Onion.
Okay, sorry. Where's your onions?
Okay.
Blended onion.
Okay.
Doing it. Okay. But showing you a fresh tomatoes.
Okay. Yes, yeah, combination answer. Academy one here.
But you say?
Yeah, one here.
Fish, dry fish.
Oh, now I'm talking about the near bowl. This is top one.
Yeah, you see. Okay, wait.
You.
Okay, let's see blended spices.
Oh, okay.
Your tomato paste, that part.
I say what spoon you see osmosis in diffusion. Until you fry a diffusion I say osmosis. No me we no go school. Method Jesus, Madam Bridal, Murphy. What's it? But osmosis in diffusion. Who's about could be sent in or spread to different places. And about could say Jina baby I wanna.
Jina baby I wanna. And I only
you so then?
You said me tell me I want
true then. So we are fully match our comment section war. So we are for ya that we you can simple that we osmosis and I say diffusion. Refi.
Why?
Transfer of water molecules.
Water molecules.
Ni pa nja mi ma ko awata. Hey. Ona dey expect we no. Ano engan ebe social studies na o kan no. Okay. I would take orders.
Bachai.
NTT, yeah, can be wrong.
Bachai. Jamie's food boss. You know. And Bachai. Major orders.
Okay.
Pastries, cakes, cookery, and maybe
good.
Simbacho, who should share my sharp higher. May walk a dukum, a piapem.
The
number says 055-080-9220.
Oh, okay.
055-080-9220.
All right.
Simbacho, others no. And I say, wedding. The best at buffet, nice one. Ama. Na.
All right, so for one thing, people do now that they be ten fresh, and not sharp. I am out.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to dry spices, no so blended spices, no so.
But then I blend it, you know.
But try and get any bay leaf more na back on the preference. Natural spices.
Okay. Yeah, they are big boom. Away near no I know.
We and china my no any more day.
Oh, okay.
Actual fish na there. Dry fish.
Dry fish. Okay.
So good.
Near chain. What was the name?
Yeah.
Milk na. Area answer.
Waga shina no be dia na. O dia.
Atum.
Okay. Ebechen nam ne wagashi. Ti
Ebechen enam ne wagashi. Enene wagashi ne den.
Eno na ye product of Nantwi. Yenye fi Nantwi milk.
Oh, okay.
Aha.
Ni amode we Burkina no.
Eno ana omo no.
Burkina ade black ne wo mu no.
There be eno ye atoko.
Atoko.
We there ye
Nantwi milk.
Milk no. No omo anoa.
Michelle. Amo na milk no.
Obetimi aka hwe ti di ne.
Betimi dey eat.
Pacho the when milk when ya sanwam aye ne say soya meat no. Aha, so I say soya milk no say this utimi ye ne soya. O de ye ne na utimi ye ne milk. Ti we no so ne Nantwi milk no. No, your friend no milk no. And no so ma product ama na nya cheese no. Ti we
cheese.
Cheese.
Yes, everything.
It's in pacho me be to chana. Ya ho much.
Okay. Mr. Zuma. And I was your
Passion.
eh.
Okay, that's.
Thanks, Mede.
That's what they really work for. In Pacho, Wagashi. Funi inama ultimate did that fine.
Okay. It's anyway. Yeah, very.
Yeah, but I
So the best access
they're fine. I can send them. Hey, butterfly.
Will you stomach?
Wait, I can't say. I can't. Mirror the raw. Well, see, I'm not that. Tuo flan.
Okay.
Yeah, but mix it. Separate. Essing chain.
Okay.
Pacho powder. Yama mix on the flan. And we had the begu. Insuni, but I just say a once.
Okay.
I just say insuni once. Insuni. The bed makes sense. All
right.
So timer. Insuni begu.
All right.
Pacho say yan.
The bedding.
Tuo no.
Okay.
Insuni ehu.
Tiabe kane.
It's the young kind.
Okay, the window near me. Okay.
It's a 2 powder and a blue garden.
Okay.
Timbacho cocoa no. Ube no ma say about one side.
One side. I don't go starter.
It's no about 2 that finance say.
I say I ain't Indian array.
Eya ba, untimi obi o pe ba.
Una untumi ndi. Okwam do a untumi ka se untumi ndi.
It's untimi di this ah. Bajo am Mexico ko na enu.
Yeah.
Acho ma me. Oh, okay. See, I didn't see your friends.
Okay. Tibeja is someone who kakra. I send the powder no baby.
Bacha na ya start ya.
Okay.
It's in Bacha. Yeah, Becca.
Okay.
She was afternoon. Bacha into no. Cocoon. Who? It's in Bacha who say now. O me se bi esi nchen.
That's why we need be esi.
Anya ni na o de.
So wait me the sugar go ready.
Oh, ayama akwala afi nso obi a oyare oyama na ahodi wom pa obi a betimi adi eye fine betimi ga mo bi antin pacho koko no ya se bi esi nchen tin pacho we mixture of ebro gari ni konkonte powder tin pacho e ba be kan to zafin Bacho udi gumuni na ununum kakra se na be ya embo aba okay only na wochim se na be ya emu aba no konkonte ni mu best to za fini mu best san fine tino na afi so wasa dia wo sesi nchen no o sa kakra egum na eno na yema na yemre no kakra na wo segum na wo twim kakra
Alright, Busafo. The tools have been on a canon. Hi. Head you ain't bad. Ta. That's a sound to be.
This is sound now what can. And most of the time we say the as sound no so. Upenya ho your friend is saying.
Punya with it.
Effect.
Who sound I make?
Say, e jana na ka say bibia bebre.
Hey, you understand na make on. Are you ready? Hey, I be on it. Where the ready? Fabrichum, uniba. Osha baby any Macaduan fine. Yeah, it's
That's fine.
Oh, okay. But I am renovating anything.
That's fine.
Okay.
Now so you careful. I have not a hot show.
So we say it's very how many days and maybe like I say and I say this.
Okay, normally no. About the advantage and disadvantage. We know the emergency no. It means to go and check.
Oh, in the end they see what
you. It's the emergency there. I was saying that consuming na.
Just no didn't.
It's kakra. Ubeka no na waka na asa.
Okay.
It be a likely say bit me at the Wama at the action. So, I'll be for fanati. So, yeah, they'll be to you.
Alright, busu afunti ya wie toes avenue dia hu ni ya wie. Nti we say we enkwan na afroye. Froye. Okay, na edens na wa ha say. Let me come.
Okay.
We then.
We na
Ayu no. Okay. Ademe no.
Ademe nkwan.
Okay. Na we nso na
enam ne wagashi.
Okay.
Nchina mayachi.
Nchina mayachi na we say wagashi. Na we say toes avino. Bro, we dey me 85 crowns me o. Okay, nti ye be serve ye ho ano no.
And I know you need to separate away from nkwan ye sabu ba.
Yes, sabu so. Oh, okay. Mama san kwan na.
Basho.
Mi wo mi anu masemi atwi o. Mi wo mi anu masemi atwi. Mi ye chop money a cha na be se atwi a mi amasemi ete. Me san de sen ya na ze behwe mami.
Sabi kan.
Sheduano. Charlie. Eh.
Basho.
Okay.
That's nice.
Good. Alright, nti abusuafo. Tuweza vina na ewie no, di ewu no. Ni babra ni na fa kire mu. Bompa wo chiri pomu enko.
Me.
Anga wan. Bompa wo chiri pomu na.
Any how do you say this? And it's a question.
Papa chiri ni.
And yeah, that's so.
Dabi bo chiri pomu.
And it's a question na o. And if it take. Should I say yes? Amen.
Observe. Yes, aga. Nti we no betimi the green no kwa di.
Green no kwa na maybe.
Anya there. Nti what about the way name? For you no.
For you no, nti ti no kwa ndi.
The way no we the combination go on. Maima, Betty.
Tutu Betty.
Nam no dos eh.
Yes. But so better my shout out.
A shout out.
Especially to my Nana want to down here. The favorite food. They be home your name Nana you are invited. Serious.
The favorite food.
I do come about to down.
I never know you be jungo.
Nana. My special one bro. Why?
Nana mo le be fu ye ne I ba bango no vesel.
MP. Munu na mo brad miss eating. Mo order o. Mbedi. Special Tuesdays.
Vous avez me sur subscribe ya. Bo subscribe ya mi. Say Facebook ni TikTok so na follow. Na the bang.
My heart was content in a friend. Wow. The only content in and then the different amount. Charlie. T-shirt with you.
And then say coffee.
Yeah, put your coffee.
Uniba.
Charlie,
Adriana head the rough.
at the rough.
Bye bye.